Welcome to Southern Ropes, one of the largest rope manufacturers in the Southern Hemisphere. Today we'll explore how Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central can transform their operations and drive success.
My name is Marcus Twine. I'm the Managing Director of Southern Ropes, a rope company based in Woodstock, South Africa. We produce high technical ropes that we export throughout the world. In fact, 80% of our sales are all external to South Africa. We supply countries Australia, USA, UK, Europe, across the world basically. So very much an international company with international standards and competing on an international level.
Manufacturing customers face numerous challenges, from managing supply chains to rising operational costs to data integration. Southern Ropes was no exception.
Some of our biggest challenges in our business is that we have a large number of customers. We have a large number of products, close to 3,000 different products. And rope making is not just a simple putting things together and creating a rope. There's a huge complexity and requirements behind it. It has been extremely difficult for us without Business Central to envisage how we're going to upscale our business with further reach.
Prior to meeting Southern Ropes, they were struggling with getting real-time insights and data out of their system. The previous system they used didn't provide the correct production numbers and reports that they needed.
And without a dedicated system like Business Central, you lose track of the detail in your business. The complexity of dealing with a complex business in an ever-changing international environment was challenging, and we needed a system that could support our efforts in a global reach. So we went through a whole process where we saw a number of vendors, and this just fitted with our business and also the complexity of our business. From scheduling, planning, finance, stock control, I can sit at my desk and I have the complete overview of the business, from stock to sales to finance to production.
It offers tools for capacity planning, ensuring that resources such as labor, machinery, and materials are efficiently allocated to meet production goals. The system offers real-time tracking of inventory to ensure that stock levels are optimized. Automated replenishment tools prevent stockouts and overstocking, while warehouse management tools allow for the picking, packing, and shipping in Business Central.
Tangible results that we've achieved since going with Business Central is definitely the control of our business in terms of raw material. We import by and large the biggest part of our raw material from across the world. Stock control, both in raw material and finished goods, have been phenomenal in getting that to a point where we can streamline that almost to a just-in-time with a little bit of fat in it by looking at prior demand, looking at existing stock and doing forecasting, more accurate forecasting using Business Central. And what this does, it simplifies our business to a degree where it becomes manageable. And Business Central has definitely enabled us to get better control of our international customers as well as our international stock holding.